be doing veggie noodles. Okay, so I'm going to be using obviously noodles, so you can use any noodles you want. I have my deboned fish, I have carrots and cabbage. I have here carrots too. Then I have my onion, I have my green beans, I have my tomato. Okay, yeah, this tomato, this pepper, red pepper, and the green one. Then I have normal chili for extra spice, and I'm also going to be using 1 egg. So let's check. So I've been steaming water for some time, so I'm quickly going to add the noodles, just the noodles, into it. And voila, it cook and get softened. So you're not adding anything into it, just the noodles and close. So the noodles is boiling, so we're going to filter it now. We're going to remove the water, filter everything. So in a dry pan, I'm going to drizzle in a little oil. So we're going to let the oil get hot before we use it. I'm going to add the onion, adding the fish, so I'm adding my tomato and pepper. Then I'll add the rest into it. So I'm adding salt, just salt to taste, and stock cube, any stock cube of your choice will do. You also give it a quick stir. Then it's time to add the cabbage and carrots. So at this point, we'll let it cook for a few minutes. Just added eggs. And this time you just stir. So stir the egg, then you add your noodles, the cooked noodles, and so you stir very well to combine everything together. You can see it's looking good. So at this point, we're going to add the seasoning that comes with the noodles. So that's why you have to minimize the amount of stock cube and salt you use. So I'm going to finish with the process of stirring, then I'll show you what it looks like. I can't tell you, my kitchen smells heavenly. You can see it looking all good. Okay, so at this point we're done. If you want it to be a bit watery, what you're going to do, you're going to add water now, just little water, and turn it. Okay, then when the water boils for a few minutes, you take it down. But I'm okay with the texture. It's not too dry and it's neither too wet. So at this point, this is what we have, and we're done. You can see it looking all good. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.